Let's get someone under the van, in the van, and on top of the van.
Is the van or is that the van?
I think
It's the van.
The van.
Yeah, we could get in the Cherokee and cover the van. Just turn it on.
In my mind, when he was explaining that shit, I was like, oh, the Cherokee.
Oh, it's a Ford. Womp womp.
Definitely not a fucking Chevy.
Don't get too confident now.
Don't like
Oh, no,
The interior is
more
just
sense.
about GM quality, so
It would actually make more sense if it were a fucking Chevy, to be honest. Triple A couldn't save their
I'm
ass.
surprised it's not fucking Dodge.
Did you see the statistic that Dodge is actually like the #1 car to A, get in an accident, and B, break down?
Look at Hellcats.
and C gets stolen.
Yeah, Hellcats charge.
What? Stolen, really?
Spotting and
Huh?
Is it actually stolen as well?
Yep.
They get stolen like crazy, dude.
The Hellcat, the SRT,
Scat packs
Scat Pack are the #3 stolen vehicles.
and the SXTs because I don't know the trims.
Oh yeah. You're right. Any Charger and Challenger there.
Yeah.
#1 stolen vehicle.
Anything with a Dodge grill, pretty much not safe.
Even the TRXs now.
Yeah.
It's a fucking truck.
Fucking kids.
They're just like, it has a Hellcat engine.
Oh, that's nice.
I do kind of want one just to mess with trucks
Hellcat
though.
practically has the same engine as the Lamborghini.
I want the sleeper
Ah,
truck
it's
from
beyond
Ford.
false. There's a... Shoot the car, shoot the car.
Oh wait, they're gonna be coming out from over here.
$50 Trevor Street Road. They're shooting at me. What's this distraction? Yeah.
Left. Through the woods.
Shoot, the gun house. Gun his kid.
Huh?
I can't remember if gun his kid down or not. They're in the woods. Jerry, you hit? Oh, here, let me hit you real quick.
Back there, back there.
Oh, I just got hit.
Where are they shooting from? I can't see shit. Oh shit. Right side.
3 more minutes.
You good?
Yep.
Scoot back a little bit more. They're whizzing right past you, dude.
Yep.
Like right next to you.
Yeah, no, that's all.
Where are they?
Red building, red building.
Nope.
Red building by Cherokee.
Hit! My building, pull the plug.
Hit. I'm down. I need a hero.
Hey, I'm gonna get the box. Huh? I'm gonna get the truck.
Help me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Where's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 28, 29, 30.
Ow! What the fuck? Ow! Fuck!
Damn, hit!
Hey, I'm hit!
Alright, I got you. Oh shit, hit. Sorry.
You're good. I was watching him too. That's the toughest part. I can't say anything.
Yeah, no, you're good. Well news our shit was the end of the game. I got him first, but he's good.
You take one person out, just keep covering them.
See, if we're gonna do that, we're gonna use the gas blowback.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. You get the left, I'll get the right.
Ready?
Ready? Ready to get lit by that LMG again. Oh, dude, he got you on your neck hard. Oh, yeah.
I know.
Oh, you think I'm...
I'm not running. Maybe I should go up there. You lose your mag?
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem, man. I guess.
Yep.
Yeah.
Woo! That's spicy. Woo, 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 woo. It's not looking good over there. Woo! I'm sorry, man. I was gonna try and push up to you,
you're
but I
good.
couldn't.
They kept shooting me. I was like, alright, just shoot my helmet.
Was that you in there?
Yep.
Where did I get you?
battling. Huh? No.
I didn't even touch that.
Didn't
Damn.
touch it. Dude, you got so insanely close, like I could hear it whistling.
Really?
Yeah. What
Wow.
about you? What about you? Did I?
You got insanely close. You almost
Okay.
hit my tit.
Oh, okay. All right. Cool. Nice. Almost hit your what?
My tit.
Oh, your tit.
Yeah.
Oh. Good stuff, man. We were battling there for a minute.
Yeah.
I was scared.
No, I hit you, bro. Left side! You good?
This doesn't like that mag.
There we go. Oh, yeah. I walked right into that one.